Imagine waking up to the sound of your phone pinging. Not because someone's asking for your time, but because passive income just hit your account. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you this could be your reality with real estate investing? Even if you have zero experience, stick around because in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started step by step. But let's get one thing straight. This isn't about flipping houses like you're auditioning for HGTV or buying mansions with monopoly money. This is real life, and I'm here to guide you through it. Now, here's the harsh truth. Most people never invest in real estate because they think they need piles of cash or a degree in economics. Sound familiar? Maybe you've told yourself, it's too risky, or I'll start later when I'm more financially stable. But let me ask you, how much longer will you wait? Every month you delay is a missed opportunity to build wealth. And no, your landlord isn't secretly rooting for you to figure this out. In fact, they're cashing in on what you could be owning. Let that sink in. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Starting out might feel overwhelming, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. Here are 3 practical steps to launch your real estate journey without experience. Knowledge is power. You don't need a PhD, but you do need to understand the basics. What is cash flow? What's an ROI? Why is location king? Here's a trick. Spend 20 minutes a day consuming free content like this video, podcasts, or articles. Treat it like scrolling TikTok, but for your future. But here's the catch. Learning alone won't build your portfolio, which brings us to the next step. Here's where most people fail. They overthink the first move. Don't fall into that trap. Instead, think small. Consider house hacking. Ever heard of it? Buy a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other? Or invest in a real estate investment trust, REIT. Think of it as owning a piece of real estate without managing it. Low barrier, high impact. Pattern interrupt with humor. And no, you don't have to live in a basement apartment to afford this. Well, unless it's a really nice basement. Here's the thing. Real estate is a team sport. You'll need a trusted agent, a lender, and eventually a property manager. Networking is key. And guess what? You don't need to cold call strangers. Use LinkedIn. Join local real estate meetups, or even slide into someone's DMs. Yes, you heard me. Networking in 2025 can start with a well-worded DM. But what if you don't have the money to start? I've got a solution for that too. Let's address the elephant in the room, funding. You don't need to be swimming in cash to invest. Look into FHA loans that require as little as 3.5% down, or partner with someone who has capital but lacks time or knowledge. Partnerships can fast-track your journey, and believe me, they're more common than you think. The key takeaway? Start small, stay consistent, and always play the long game. Real estate isn't a sprint. It's a marathon that pays dividends, literally. You might feel uncertain now, but 1 year from today, you could either still be dreaming or taking your first steps toward financial freedom. The choice is yours. Now, before you go, here's the next step. Watch my video, Rent or Buy a Home in 2025. It's the perfect complement to what we've just covered and will help you make smart housing decisions that align with your investing goals. Click the link on your screen or in the description below. Remember, your journey to financial independence starts now.